So make sure that you already purchased the MUBI plan on YouTube TV and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch MUBI without having that plan first. And to buy the MUBI plan, from the homepage of YouTube TV, you wanna go to your top right of your screen and click on the store icon. And then tap on all at the top of the screen to see all the networks that was available. And then on the MUBI, you want to click on it. And then you want to add the MUBI to your membership by paying for 15 bucks per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. To do that, click on next and complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. And then to watch the MUBI after you buy that plan, you wanna go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then search for MUBI. And then click on the MUBI network, which then you wanna scroll down and you can see any movies or series from the MUBI as you like. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.